Good morning everybody, Christo from All Things Prepping. Over the last couple of days I've actually noticed something very interesting. In the last couple of days I've seen a lot of people when coming to visit their family here by the hospital bringing along their own little food baskets or their picnic baskets and enjoying their meals in the parking area. And that actually made me think of my youth and a couple of other things. So in this video I just quickly want to touch on how things have changed and how things are actually changing again. So yeah, let's dive right into it. Yeah, I actually realized that in the 80s we were preppers without even realizing that we were preppers. The reason I'm saying that is if you think of road trips, I can remember quite a few road trips where the highlight of the road trip was actually the break that we took along the road to wherever, especially going down to the south coast. One of the highlights was when we stopped somewhere along the road, probably at a picnic spot with those little picnic bunkies and stuff, and out came the grass monkey. I don't know what you call this thing, but the grass monkey, a picnic monkey with hard-boiled eggs, some fried worsies, and then sometimes even some braaivleis from the previous night, and then obviously your little sandwiches, your tomato and cheese sandwiches and stuff like that. And that was always a highlight for me, just enjoying that stuff. So like I said, we were preppers before we even knew that we were preppers. Another one of my favorites that I enjoyed is that we would normally take hot dog buns, and you just like buy 24 buns and take a kilogram of Vienna's with and make our own little hot dogs along the way. I enjoyed that as well. That was also one of my favorites, but that was only done later in my life with my own family, because I also took the shortest way, doing it as quickly as possible, doing it the hot dog way. So yeah, there's a lot of options, and yeah, maybe we should make a video of just options to see what it is all about and what we can do. But yeah, let's get into the next one. More recently, when I was still working for one of the previous companies, one of my sites that I had to visit was in Kimberley. And on a regular basis, and I've actually got some videos as well on that, on a regular basis I would go down to Kimberley and then prepare took along a meal. Either normally it would have been a breakfast and a lunch, because we're talking about almost 12 hours going down there. So I would normally have a breakfast type meal and a lunch that I took with. So yeah, it was just it's just a way of life that we used to do. And then all of a sudden this came to a stop for most people, because of the convenience of fast food shops. People just stop at a place and buy something to eat instead of taking along their own stuff. But as I have remarked, I have actually noticed that it seems like at least the old folks are bringing back this phenomenon of having their meals brought with them and enjoying it wherever they are. So yeah, that's just something to think about. I'm certainly going to make an effort of having at least 1 or 2 lekker road trips where we can do this, just to bring back the old feeling of enjoying a meal prepared like that, and bringing back some childhood memories, because that is definitely one of the fond memories that I have of this road trips, with the meals that we enjoyed as a family going wherever we went. So yeah, with that being said, thank you for watching. Think about it, prepare your own meals, take it with instead of buying, because due to economical reasons it is becoming more expensive to do that, and taking your own food with is so much better. So enjoy until the next one.